Thank you for tuning in to the VATECH America EzAlign tutorial video. In the first section of this video, we'll be reviewing panel collimator alignment with the EzAlign tool. Once you have your EzAlign tool ready, go ahead and open the file and run the executable. You will also want to confirm the information of the unit, serial number, imaging modalities, communication ports, and sensor types. Once that's been done, go ahead and press Image Calibration. Under the Panel tab, you're going to want to click Collimator Alignment, initialize the unit, and always, during the process of the alignment with the EzAlign tool, pay close attention to the communication terminal. Once the unit is initialized, go ahead and click Auto Align. Like every alignment, you're going to want to go ahead and remove the accessories off of the unit: bite stick, chin rest, and temple supports. The communication terminal will prompt you for when to press and release the exposure button. There is a View 16 tab at the bottom of the page that will allow you to view the alignment as you go through this process. At the end of your panel collimation, you will then be prompted that you have successfully aligned the panel collimator. The second section of this tutorial will be the alignment of the chin rest for the panoramic unit. In the EzAlign tab, you're going to want to click Chin Rest Alignment and initialize the unit. Once the unit has been initialized, you will then want to click Auto Align and then reinsert the chin rest and the bite stick. And always have your exposure button ready, as you will be prompted to press and hold this button throughout the remainder of the alignment. And as always, pay close attention to the communication terminal so that you can know when to press and release the exposure button. Towards the end of the chin rest alignment, you will be prompted that you have successfully aligned the chin rest. The process will then start over. At the end of your chin rest alignment, you will be prompted that you have successfully aligned the chin rest. And just as a side note, this EzAlign tool will only work with our PacSci series, so the PacSci, the PacSci 3D, the PacSci 3D Green, the i3D Smart. The third section of this tutorial video will focus on the alignment of the Ceph collimator. Through the EzAlign tab, you're going to want to select Ceph Align, initialize the unit, and once the unit has been initialized, click Auto Align, and as always, pay close attention to the EzAlign tool window. The Nasion has to be flipped upwards and the ear rods placed into the PA setting. You will then be prompted to select which collimator you want to align first, and if you're going to do the Ceph alignment, go ahead and click the first collimator. As you are prompted to press and hold the button, please do so throughout the remainder of the alignment. You will then be prompted that you have successfully aligned the collimator, and then the unit will now start to align the second collimator. You will then be prompted with a successful collimator alignment once the second collimator is in place. The fourth section of this tutorial video is the alignment of the CT collimator. Similar to the other modalities, you're going to want to select the collimator alignment tab, initialize the unit. Once the unit is done initializing, click Auto Align. And as always, pay close attention to the EzAlign window so that you know when to press and hold the exposure button. Like every alignment, please remove the accessories, bite stick, chin rest, and temple supports. At the end of your CBCT collimator alignment, you will then be prompted for a successful collimator alignment. Thank you for tuning in to the VATECH America EzAlign tutorial video. Please check back into the dealer portal for more news and information and resources regarding VATECH units. Thank you.